Welcome back, viewers. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating realm of the Internet of Things, IoT. Join us as we explore how this revolutionary technology is shaping our connected world and changing the way we interact with our surroundings. From smart homes to intelligent cities, the possibilities seem endless. So, let's get started. What is the Internet of Things? To grasp the concept of IoT, we must first understand what it is. In simple terms, the Internet of Things refers to a vast network of interconnected devices that collect, exchange, and utilize data over the Internet. These devices can be anything from household appliances and wearable gadgets to industrial machinery and city infrastructure. The driving force behind IoT is to enhance efficiency, convenience, and automation in various aspects of our lives. Now that we know what IoT is, let's delve into how it works. IoT devices are equipped with sensors and actuators that gather data and perform actions based on the information received. This data is then transmitted to cloud-based platforms for analysis and decision-making. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms play a crucial role in processing this data, enabling devices to learn and adapt over time, making them smarter and more efficient. The applications of IoT are extensive and diverse. We'll take a closer look at some of the most exciting examples. 1. Smart homes. Imagine living in a home where your thermostat adjusts itself based on your preferences. Lights turn on and off as you enter or leave a room, and your refrigerator automatically orders groceries when you run low on supplies. 2. Healthcare. IoT has transformed healthcare by introducing wearable devices that monitor patients' vital signs, remote health tracking, and even smart pills that can be ingested to deliver medication at precise intervals. 3. Transportation. Self-driving cars are a perfect example of IoT in the transportation sector. These vehicles use IoT technology to communicate with traffic lights, other cars, and pedestrians, making roads safer and traffic more efficient. 4. Agriculture. IoT-powered sensors and drones are optimizing farming practices by providing real-time data on soil moisture, crop health, and weather conditions, leading to better yields and resource management. 5. Smart cities. From smart waste management systems to intelligent street lighting, IoT is revolutionizing urban infrastructure, making cities more sustainable and livable. While IoT offers incredible advantages, it's essential to be aware of the challenges it presents. The benefits include increased efficiency, improved decision-making, enhanced user experience, and reduced cost. However, with the growing number of connected devices, security and privacy concerns become critical. We must address issues such as data breaches and potential misuse of personal information. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications. Edge computing, 5G connectivity, and quantum computing are some of the developments that will shape the future of IoT. Additionally, IoT will play a vital role in creating sustainable solutions for environmental challenges, paving the way for a greener and more interconnected world. The Internet of Things is transforming our lives in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. As we continue to embrace this technology, it's crucial to strike a balance between innovation and safeguarding our privacy and security. The connected world holds immense potential, and by harnessing the power of IoT responsibly, we can create a brighter and more efficient future. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the Internet of Things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting tech explorations.